Hey guys, Rig Garage Vet. Just gonna do a little update on the Tahoe here. Just got it painted somewhat. As you can tell, the birds love it, so I've got to get it cleaned back up. I went with custom coat rhino liner or bed liner off of TCP Global. That's what I sprayed it with. I bought 2-gallon kit, and I had 2 liters left. It color covered good. I didn't prime it or nothing. I'll put up a picture of what it looked like when I sprayed it, or when I started spraying it. Got a few lot spots you can barely see. Really, I should have mixed up that last one and sprayed it, but it's just a wood, like a toe pig, whatever. So it ain't gonna look perfect. So it don't matter. Just something to make it all look one color. But the finish is nice. Got a new front end for it. Well, new to me. Other than that, yeah, looks good. Anybody that's thinking about using it, I would 100% recommend it. For $400 tax and you can spray your whole vehicle, and it seems like a pretty fair deal to me. I got quoted like $3,000 to paint it, so yeah, it's a good bit of saving, and I've never painted a car before, so anybody should be able to do it. If y'all want to see some more of this, let me know. I'm gonna put a lift on it, maybe some new wheels and tires, and I've got to redo the interior. It's pretty rough, real ripped up, especially the front seats. Front seats are horrible, especially that one over there. People love spray paint. The headliner's bad. That's going to be one of our next upgrades. Lift will probably be next. But yeah, if you like it, let me know. I would like to make some more videos on it. Coming soon.